get the thick one. Here they go, girls. Ready? Watch where it goes. Go ahead if you want. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready. As soon as she gets started, we're going to go down to free. That's when she's going to throw it up in the air.
Run up closer where you can see.
Camera's ready. Turn and smile here. Very well.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Here we go. Here we go. Count 3. 1,
2, 3.